Hello everybody and welcome to me, Jan the Tiger. Yeah, that is right. I will say I watch Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, Smuts Games. I know you all see them, but I will say a lot of things, and maybe I should get something. But yeah, this was recording at 1 a.m. Yeah, 1 a.m. almost. For telling you, I want to be a YouTuber. I want to be a good YouTuber. I know I'm not. Maybe maybe I'm the smallest one in the Danish country right now, and I will say, please tell your friends and PewDiePie, if you see this, screw you! No, that is just for fun because you say mean things about Denmark, because we are more in 500,000 people in Denmark. We are 5 million, almost 6 million. Maybe, I'm not sure about that. So, bring the war. Red Viking right here against the Swedish one. I know I will win of knowledge. You will win about viewers speaking English. Swedish, you will win because you are from Sweden. But I'm 110% Swedish, so I cannot recall a Swedish word right now. Only jävla fitt, ja. Jävla fitta din jävla svenska. When I close my eyes, I can see what I want to say, but I will say one more, or a lot of things to you guys up there. Yes, I am drunk right now, and I will say also YouTube. I love to do YouTube for you guys out there, and I want to be a good YouTuber for you guys out there to make a good what is it called now? I cannot remember right now, but a good YouTube place to be nice to each other. And I know my hands is going everywhere. Sorry. But anyway, I want to actually meet PewDiePie and Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, and 2 seconds. I have a birth. I'm not getting birth, but I'm big. I cannot speak. But anyway, I want to meet Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie in real life, but I cannot do that because I'm so small. I am, and I need you guys to help me and help yourself, if you know what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, that is because my head is what is it called? Psychopath. I'm psycho in my head, because I know many people out there want to be like the song from Bruno Mars, a billionaire. And I don't want to be a billionaire, I can tell that. And I can show you what I'm recording with and all of that things. And I will do draw my life in paint, maybe. And I know I still own you 14 witty sorry, 14 videos. And if you know me well, as my some of my family do, I will fight for this channel to my death. I'm not drunk. Yes, I am drunk, but if I'm not drunk, I will still say the same thing to all of you guys. And yes, this is coming up the 10, 11, 12, 13, 8, 2006 to tell you I want to help you guys. I want to kind of give help from the big guys, or actually big guys. And I know I should do much slower editing and all of that in this YouTube stuff I'm doing. And I know all of you guys out there, and I know I see you from my webcam. Sorry, but you can do the same. And yes, I will try to answer your comments and all of that. And please tell your friends about me. If you are close friends to Markiplier, Jacksepticeye and Felix, maybe I should call them with the right names: Sean, Felix, Markiplier, Bob, Wade, Kevin, all the others great YouTuber I cannot remember right now. Tell them I fight for my channel until I die. And I say that a lot, and this is already almost 8 minutes. So I will cut it off here, because you know what I mean. And I have some jelly beans, not jelly bean boozle, to eat anytimes I want to. So as that says I'm too drunk. But anyway, leave a like and all of that down there. And be a new subscriber. That will help me, that would help you, because maybe I'll subscribe back to you. And I got a blackout right there. What I'm doing? Don't know. Hello? No one's home. Okay. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. You know what to do down there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, tigers.